Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will give you a trick that is about complementary colors. Almost in every medical exam there multiple choice questions comes that find out the complementary color of this color. In chapter 2 of second year chemistry there are transition elements which gives characteristics colors. So I have made a trick by myself. First of all they will give you a color that will be the absorbed color of that substance. You will be asked to find out the complementary color of that substance. So guys, by remembering this, first draw absorbed colors, that is violet, blue, blue, green, green, yellow, orange and red. Number them as 1 to 9. As 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the complementary color of 1 will be 6. The complementary color of 2 will be 7. The complementary color of 3 will be 8. The complementary color of 4 will be 9. Only 5 green is the exception, which has purple complementary color, so it must be remember. Now the complementary color of 6 will be 1. The complementary color of 7 will be 2. 8 will have 3 and 9 will have 4 in the reverse order. Finish, that's it. So this is very simple trick how to find out the complementary color of the transition elements. One thing is that you should remember these 9 colors. So by arranging these colors in above arrangements you will solve these types of multiple choice questions on fingertips. So in next video I will show you a superb trick how to find out hybridization, which is one of the most important part of second year chemistry. So thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for latest news about MCQS preparation and exams.